Hello everyone, this is Billy. On this video, I will do canoe pooling. Well, I'm having a break now. It's so beautiful here. In historic canoe pooling, it's just very interesting because natives used to go upriver, you know, on their canoe. The explorer also in Canada use, you know, this kind of technique to go upriver and explore some places that nobody goes.
And I love canoe pooling because I feel free to go anywhere.
Okay, now I'm done with the easy stuff. Now it's gonna rock. Oh yeah. Well, that was fun. So this is Billy, hope you enjoyed the video about canoe pooling. So see you next time, and since then, live your passion, live the adventure. See you next time, bye.
So that was canoe pooling. And now I encourage you very much to watch these two videos. The first one is survival raft, very interesting, and the other one is tarp canoe, even more. So, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, you're gonna have fun, and well, thanks a lot for your comment, I just appreciate that very much. So, see you next time for more fun, bye.